Hello guys, it is Smiley Times here with the lovely the Kitty Cat Gamer. Sadly I don't have Skype or anything so I can't hear her voice, but seeing her in Animal Jam will be good enough. You can see my lights reflection there. I have 48 diamonds and I'm going to be doing the update video. I'm not sure if she's filming yet. Go check out her channel, Kitty Cat Gamer. Kitty Cat Gamer. Kitty Cat Gamer? I can't remember. Oh, Kitty Cat Gamer. Okay, I think it's the Kitty Cat Gamer. The link to her channel is in my channel, okay? So, let's start. Friendship Festival. Be sure to check out all the fun items and head to the friendship party as you celebrate the friendship festival. The friendship festival. The friendship festival. With your best buddies. She's my best buddy. You're my best buddy. You're all my best buddy. Everyone out there is my best buddy. My best buddy. My best buddy. Everyone is my best buddy. As everyone, because everybody is my best buddy. Yay. Okay. The goats are just like having a romantic scene, and then the polar bear's just coming in and staring at them. That's sad. Okay. I'm going to die. What? Angie. Hello, peeps. Because that's the best response you can have. That's the best response you can have. I'm literally gonna type that. That's the best response you can have. Hi to Blueberry's fans. By the way, Blueberry 1941 is my favorite. And so let's just go buy a random item. Yeah. I don't like any of these. I'll probably buy them later though. Yeah, let's just buy the snowman. There. I don't even care anymore. Okay, let's read the news. I already am. No. By the way, if you see like me in this dressing gown, and it looks so long, it's because of my mum's. I couldn't find mine, so this is the best I can do. I already am. Okay. Have you heard the great news? Members can now have 1,000 10 items in their inventories. Oh, I can fly. I keep this flying. Gross. You can now collect all your favorite. Oh, get away. Fly. To your heart's content. And don't forget jammers. I thought it was okay. And don't forget jammers. 2017 is going to be filled with many more exciting new member benefits. So there's never been a better time to become an Animal Jam member. That's probably the fastest I can talk. Lol. I already have the friendship cottage from last year. Do you know what? Let's switch to it. And we'll put my epic snowman outside. I don't care if you complain that I switch scenes. It's for the video. Oh, he's so cute there. You know, let's give him a friend. Ooh. Glad you like it. Yes, I used to be obsessed with otters, and she hated it because we go to school together. She absolutely hated it when I'd talk about otters constantly. Bring back some of those memories. What's not better than winding up your own things? Okay, an adventure. You know, like earlier when I first read this news, I thought that was the adventure where I got my, wait a second, where I got my black short spike on, but it turns out it was the St. Patrick's one that I got. What? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? Please, what? I'm kinda nervous here. I cannot believe this. Why is my other spike not there? I cannot believe this. Sorry, I need to do exclamation marks. Why is my other spike not there? I'm really nervous here. Please tell me this is just a glitch. My spike is gone. I promise you this is not fake, this is not pretend. I had 6 spikes and now I only have 5. Okay, hopefully it's just a glitch. There's always glitches when it's news update. I'm really panicking here though. Why? It's like a blue and pink diamond spike. Chatting in llamas. That was in the last update, but now you can click on the names of people to see their, if they say trading party Maiden, but you can't click on their name, you can just go on there and click on that. It's just pretty cool. February 7th is Safer Internet Day. That would explain why the teacher in my class today was showing us it's like internet safety videos. Check out the banners. Okay, I am already safe enough online. Photography contest for kids. Now, traveling pandas. On February 16th, it's my mom's birthday. Awesome. Yeah, she needs to get one of these pandas for her birthday. Like, it's like a birthday present for her. She has an Animal Jam account. It is clown face, that is her. Just wait, I've just got to tell her what spike it was. Okay. Just open it's a glitch. You have no clue how terrified I am right now. Okay. And llamas of Jamal, what? Llamas left? I didn't even know that. Animal Jam box. And sadly, I think this is only available in America, which is really annoying because I want some of those gorgeous slippers, a scarf. Yeah, that's a one. Make it for all countries, Animal Jam. I don't know. I don't know. I do not know why my spike is gone. This is really scary. I'm gonna try and look again. Okay, stay calm, stay happy, please. No. I am really upset about this. My spike is just gone. I don't know why this happened. Here you go. If she sent me, it's not a spike. But, no, do you know what? I do not know what has happened. I mean, nobody's went on my account because I haven't shared my password. I just don't understand. Okay, I'm going to turn into my saddest looking animal just to make a point, because this is really upsetting. Let's turn into this crocodile. Yes. And then also my freedom mohawk, my freedom spiked mohawk is also gone. Yeah, I still have 300 item spaces. Yeah, it's not, oh, wait, what? What's it doing here? Spike. Okay, this is fine. Hey, she ran away. Why? Well, this day just stinks. This is upsetting. Oh, wait, it must have been a glitch. What is with all the glitches? Earlier there was a glitch that was changing the colour of my den items. It was... Okay, this is fine. Well, I'm glad that I still have it. That's good. I'll give her back her item, because that's a nice thing to do. My inventory space is full. I'm deleting an item for her. Okay, I'm just gonna delete something non-member, like this spring flipper bracelet. I'll just recycle that. I mean, because I can just get another one. They're in stores, right? Okay. I'm just gonna send her back her hat. Yes. Bye, guys.